demonstrating the proper way of sterilizing nail care tools using boiling method. Materials needed: basin, soiled nail care tools, soap, pot, sealable plastic bag, tong, and paper towels. Procedure: fill a clean pot with water and place it on a stove. Bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, clean your tools with warm soapy water. When the water reaches to a boil, put the tools using clean tongs into the boiling water. Allow them to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the tools from the water using a pair of clean tongs. Place the tools on clean paper towels and let it dry. Do not touch the tools to prevent recontamination. Place the tools in a sealable plastic bag using tongs.